Kyle Whalen, I'm the yard manager at Franklin and McCall. This is our lane improvement for our upstairs lofts in our yard. We had these great areas to store a lot of material in, but we were finding it difficult to use them safely. Our old system, we had 2x4s, face mount brackets in that you would have to take off each 2x4, store them aside to get up here, 2 guys with a forklift down low, guy up here unloading the forklift. So we put in these cattle gates on like a slide system here, holding the gate in on the top and bottom. They simply slide back and store out of your way, so you have plenty of room to be working with. We have no-go zones painted on the floor here that you shouldn't be working in when the gates are open. A piece of L metal on the front edge there, so it slides across that nicely. And that is another lean initiative we have implemented in McCall.